你好，我是秋晴老师。
你好，我是贝贝。
Today, we want to introduce you a great Chinese learning app called WaWaYaYa Joy Reader. First, download the app, tap it to open. Once you see this page, tap Mine at the bottom. Log in. Choose log in via account, not phone number. Enter ID and password. Skip this. Now you're in. Tap Read at the bottom of the page. Either choose Chinese picture books for kids or Chinese stories for students. They're both the same. We'll choose Chinese picture books for kids. Then tap Level on top of the page. You'll see different reading levels organized by alphabet letters, starting from level A, which is the beginner level. You can tap More, see a lot more different books to choose from for the same level. We're going to choose this book, Level A, 我的朋友在哪里? Choose a book, then tap to download and open. Choose Read by Myself so the reader can choose own reading speed. Wipe to turn the pages. Once you open the book, you will see a tool wheel with different icons. The first is sound icon. You can choose different reading speed. 1 is slow, 2 is normal, 3 is fast.
1、2、3、4、5、6、7。
Second one is a recording icon. Tap to record, then tap again to stop.
1、2、3、4、5、6、7。
Once you're done, a play icon will show up. Tap to listen and stop. Hold to delete.
1、2、3、4、5、6、7。
Hold to delete. The third is also a recording icon, but it will grade your reading. Let's take a look. The play icon show you
1、2、3、4、5、6、7。
the reading. The second one is to record.
1、2、3、4、5、6、7。
你读得很好啊。
Yeah, 90. Very well. You can tap the mouse to listen to your own reading.
1、2、3、4、5、6、7。
The fourth icon, tool icon, is the pinyin icon. The reader can choose to add or delete the pinyin. I'll recommend no pinyin so that readers can learn to read characters, not rely on pinyin. The last one is English translation icon. This icon only shows if the book has English translation. Tap it, will show you the English meaning of this page. But not all the books have this function. You can close all icons into the tool wheel by tap the wheel, and you can also move the wheel to different spots on the page. Another function I love is the word dictionary. If the reader sees a Chinese character she or he doesn't know, simply tap the character. A dictionary page will pop out. It shows the sound,
我
meaning, pinyin, then meaning of this character. At the bottom, you can choose Chinese English dictionary or Chinese Chinese dictionary. I'll recommend the first one for English meaning to make it easier. Also, if you want to learn how to write, simply tap the character on this page.
撇横竖钩
It will show you how to write. The dictionary page will disappear if you tap the book page you're on. So this book has totally 10 pages. The last page, it will show you the whole story without the pictures. Now let's go back to the cover page. Once you download a book, it will be automatically saved at My Books at Mine page. So it's easy for the reader to access again. But sometimes you have a lot of books you want to take a look. But for the book you like the most, simply go to the cover page. On the top, there's a heart. Tap the heart. It will become one of your favorites. Let's go back. Go to Mine. Under My Books, you'll see My Books, then My Favorite. So you can have a lot of books you opened, but you can have some of your favorite books. There are different ways to use this app for different Chinese learning purposes. Let's open this. To practice listening, simply listen to any story that interests you, even if it's above your reading level, as long as you understand the story. To best practice both listening and speaking skills, you can listen and read or use either of the recording icons. This is great to practice the Chinese pronunciations and the tones, which is very important for Chinese language learners. For readers that want to learn more, use Word Dictionary to learn more Chinese words. Make sure to write those words down on a notebook so you can collect those words to review and become your own words. So that's all for this video. Hope you find it helpful and have fun with WaWaYaYa Joy Reader app. Thanks
for watching.
再见。